Hi everyone. If you're watching this because you've tried cleaning your ears at home with cotton buds, eardrops, or DIY kits, this video is for you. Today we'll explain why home earwax removal methods are risky and why seeing a professional at Hearing First Barnet is often the safest and most effective choice. First, it's understandable why people try home remedies, but ears are delicate, and many of those methods do more harm than good. Using cotton buds or other objects often pushes wax deeper, compacting it and worsening the blockage, which can lead to pain or hearing problems. The skin inside your ear canal is very sensitive. Inserting objects can scratch, irritate, or cut the skin, and in the worst case, you could puncture your eardrum. Introducing foreign objects or unsterilized solutions may upset the natural environment, leading to inflammation, infection, or chronic issues. Many home remedies may seem to work temporarily, but often the wax remains or reaccumulates, becoming harder to remove. So, what's the alternative? A professional clinic like Hearing First Barnet offers microsuction earwax removal, a method widely recognized as safe, precise, and effective. Here's how it works. A qualified audiologist examines your ears under a microscope or endoscope to see exactly what's going on. Using a gentle suction device, they carefully remove wax under direct visualization, avoiding poking, digging, or pushing. This procedure avoids water syringing, unsterile tools, or random home remedy mess, significantly reducing the risk of injury or infection. For most patients, the relief is immediate. Hearing is clearer, ears feel unblocked, and there's minimal aftercare needed. If you value your ear health, don't risk damage with DIY attempts. Professional care is worth it. Click the link in the description to book your appointment at Hearing First Barnet. Let a trained professional take care of your ears safely and effectively.